Hey guys, so today is just this vlog. It's not even gonna be really a vlog, it's just gonna be kind of just to talk to you guys because I felt a little lost lately. I felt like the whole world is crashing down on me, and I don't know, it's just I get really emotional about my recent breakup. And I don't know, I get so emotional and so, I don't even know, but it just like, life sucks, like, all the time, because I always want it to go the way I want it to go, but it doesn't work how I want it to work, which sometimes bothers me a lot, and it hurts sometimes, but I don't know, just like, life gets so freaking hard. It gets so hard, and all I want to do sometimes is just cry. And last week, I think it was like Sunday, I had this mental breakdown, and just I had this huge breakdown, and I thought everything was just going wrong in the world, and that my life was like horrible, and I cried nonstop for like 20 minutes. And I'm not very open with people because it's like, I do share a lot to people, but I don't know, like, it's easier to talk to people, or it's easier to talk to a camera than it is to talk to people, because it's just, I don't know, I just get really nervous. And Monday night, I took a shower, and I just fell down. I didn't like fall, but I like sat down and I just cried. Just sat there and cried in the shower. And I don't know, it's just, life gets really freaking hard, and all I want to do is just cry, or like literally just sit there and not do anything, not talk to anybody. But I kind of have to, because it's life, it's the real world. And I had a mental breakdown. One reason wasn't just the breakup, it was because I thought I was losing my best friend. And he's my best friend, and he always has been. We've been best friends since the end of 6th grade, and we're in 8th grade right now. Like, he is my best friend, and he's my best friend Jaden, and he will always be my best friend. No one can change that. and I love him as a brother, and I feared so badly that I was losing him, but I don't know. But I just cried in the shower, and I've been, I don't know how to say it, but I'm falling in love with somebody who I don't, who I'll have to wait for. I know he likes me, and I know I'm gonna have to wait for him till he's older or ready. But there's some times where I don't want to wait. Which is bad. I should enjoy being a teenager, but I can't wait for him. Like, it's always, this is gonna sound weird, but it's always been him. So, yeah, so I'll see you guys next time in the next vlog. I think it's gonna be a best friend tag, so see you guys later. Bye.